Hi, I'm Norma Buchholz, the executive chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're going to go over the perfect pairing. It is a herb marinated pork tenderloin with some crispy Brussels sprouts, herbed couscous, and a pomegranate demi sauce, which is paired with our 2018 La Chenet Pinot. For the sauce, we're just going to do a little mirepoix of celery, carrot, and onion. Then we're just gonna add all of these. And to this, we're gonna add some dried thyme. Cook it down till it gets a nice brown color. For the Brussels sprouts that we're gonna do, we're just gonna trim off the outside piece, and then the rest of them just into quarters like that. For the pork here, we have pork tenderloin, and I've been marinating this for the past 2 days in olive oil, minced garlic, a little bit of fresh thyme, and salt and pepper. So for the pork, a little bit of olive oil. I'm just going to add these right into the pan. In the meantime, we have some water going for our couscous, and to that, we're just going to add a pinch of salt and bring up to a boil. Once that's going, we'll add that in. As soon as it comes to a boil, we're going to turn the heat off, and I'm just going to use another pan, and it's going to sit for 5 minutes. We're going to add some dried cranberries to our sauce, and also a full thing of pomegranate juice as well. 4 to 5 minutes in the oven at 450. Gonna take the Brussels sprouts, put them in the basket. This might pop a little bit. Just about 1.5 minutes. So this is the pork. We're gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes right up here. This is the sauce after I've added chicken stock to it. And you just wanna cook it down about 1/3 of the way, and then you're gonna strain all of those solids out. And you'll end up getting a very nice sauce like this. I'm just gonna add that in. To finish the couscous now, just take this off. And we're just gonna mix in a little bit of the cut chives, parsley, a little bit more salt, and some black pepper. Give this a little stir. To finish off this sauce, we're just going to take a pat of butter and whisk it in. And to finish off the Brussels sprouts, we're just gonna take a little bit of lemon juice over the top, mix that around. I'm gonna add some of those. And that is the perfect pairing for February. Let's try it. It's so good. The pomegranate flavor, you just get a really nice hint of it. It's very subtle in the sauce, but it goes amazing with this wine. I hope that everybody this month can please come in and try this dish and all the other things that I put on this month. I promise you will not be disappointed. Cheers. Happy Valentine's Day. All right. Okay, I had to literally do that. Okay.